Welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and I'm Bob Johnson. Today I'm going to talk to you about the ports on the Getac K120 hybrid laptop. Why is it a hybrid laptop, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Easy, that's why. Not only is it a tablet, but you can pop it into its keyboard, and guess what you got? A legitimate laptop. This unit comes with 2 batteries. You can look on the back, so you get double battery power. But today I'm talking about ports, and there's 2 locations that ports are on this unit. The first location is on the tablet itself. If you take a look here, they have port covers. I really love these port covers. For example, here's the HDMI. It looks like the SIM card port is in here as well, and the external headphone jack is there as well. And then over here you have a USB-C, another USB, and a SD card reader. Looks like a mini SD card, yeah. And then over here we have these port covers. Can be very peculiar when you're trying to open them. There we go. Has the Ethernet port, a 9-pin serial port, which for a tablet, that's pretty dadgum good. And over here we have the power port. So you can plug it in, charge the batteries and that sort of thing. Here's the docking port right here. And that's the ports that we have just on the tablet. So what about the keyboard? Well, the keyboard itself has its own set of ports. And if we look over here, it has a SVGA monitor port. And then in here it has RJ45 Ethernet port, and then over here it has a USB port. Oh, I missed this one. This one is an HDMI port. So that's on this side, and then on this side you have even more ports. This particular one is another, there's a serial port. So you have a serial port on the tablet, and then you have one on the keyboard as well. This is a full-size SD card port, and then right here you have another USB port, and this looks like another USB port as well. So you've got all these USB ports on the keyboard. That's the ports that you have just on the keyboard part. So if I pop this in, we can use the ports on the tablet as well as on the keyboard at the same time. Nice features. Way more ports than you're going to get on any other hybrid laptop, even from Panasonic. I love the K120. Check it out on our website. In the meantime, leave me comments and let me know what you think. Like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.